Hey knowledge lovers! Today, we're reviewing the Meta Web Development Fundamental Specialization. This course includes its respective certification, and it is completely online. The link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. What this specialization promises. This program, created by Meta, is designed as an on-ramp for aspiring web developers and a refresher for those who want to solidify the basics. You start with the core technologies that power the web and progress toward building real functional applications. The content is beginner-friendly but practical, so you move from watching to doing quickly. The curriculum emphasizes modern job-relevant skills across the stack. By the end, you'll have experience creating responsive web pages, writing Python with sound coding practices, designing relational databases with SQL, and tying everything together into a working app using the Django framework. Front-end foundations, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. You'll learn how the browser renders pages, how to structure content with semantic HTML, and how to style layouts with CSS, from the box model and Flexbox to media queries for mobile responsiveness. Expect to use Bootstrap to accelerate UI development with grids, components, and utilities. Assignments typically involve building multi-section pages, navigation bars, cards, and responsive layouts. These exercises strengthen fundamentals that transfer to any front-end framework you pick up later. Programming fundamentals with Python. The program covers Python syntax, data structures, functions, and modules, then introduces object-oriented programming and test-driven development. You'll practice writing clean, maintainable code and create small utilities that support web workflows. Hands-on tasks help you think like a developer, breaking problems into functions, writing unit tests to catch regressions, and refactoring for readability and performance. Habits that matter in real teams. Remember, the link with the best price is in the video description. Data and SQL. Designing what your app runs on. You'll design relational schemas, define tables, and query data using SQL. The course discusses different database management systems and how to model entities, relationships, and constraints so your application logic stays consistent. Exercises include drafting schemas from user stories, writing select join queries, and shaping result sets for views and reports. The goal is to understand how application features map to well-structured data. Back-end with Django, models, views, and templates. Finally, you'll build a web application using Django. You'll connect models to your database, write views to handle requests, and use the template system to render dynamic pages. You also learn about URL routing, forms, and the standard project app structure that makes Django productive. By implementing end-to-end features, like a basic CRUD workflow, you see how front-end, Python logic, and the database work together. This is where the pieces click into place, and you ship something you can demo. Expect short videos, step-by-step labs, and graded assignments that mimic real tasks. Building responsive pages, writing tested Python functions, designing schemas, and assembling a small Django app. The pace is self-directed, so you can fit study sessions around work or school while steadily building a portfolio of artifacts. Beyond technical steps, the program reinforces good habits, clear code structure, thoughtful database design, and incremental development, so you're prepared for collaborative environments later on. Now I will give you my honest opinion about this course. This specialization shines in how it connects fundamentals into an integrated workflow. The emphasis on responsive layouts, Python with testing, SQL design, and Django's core pattern is a practical path to junior web developer skills. It isn't a framework of the month crash course. It's a fundamentals-first curriculum that travels well as tools evolve. If you're patient with the basics and want to build a real foundation, this program is a solid bet. You can obtain this specialization without a one-time payment, simply by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, which offers access to this course and more than 7,000 other courses. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.